Here's a super fast hack for creating objects real fast in Blender using curves. So first off, you just go over here and add in your Bezier curve. So from there, you just rotate the curve around the y-axis for what I'm doing right now. So from there, you just head over to the modifiers tab and add in the screw modifier. Set the axis over there to X. Now from here, you can just manipulate the curve handles. And you can see I'm creating this really cool vase. Yeah. So when we're done with that, you just right click and convert to mesh. Now you can edit this mesh however you want, so just fill in the faces over there with grid fill tool. So voila, that is how you create random objects with curves in Blender. Bye.